Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to show you how to draw a crewmate from Among Us. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the visor. So we're going to start off by drawing a curve like this. And you're going to draw a straight line. Once you have it here, you do the same curve, just the other way around. And then draw another straight line. And that's the visor. Next, we're going to draw the rest of its body. I'm going to start off by drawing a line. It's going straight, and then it curves at the bottom like this. Next, we're going to draw a curved line down here, and then we're going to bring it back up. That's one of its feet. And then we're going to draw a line here, and then another curved line right here. After that, we're going to draw its second foot, where we're just going to bring this back down, and we're going to curve it back up like this, and then straight line up. From here, you're just going to draw a straight line up to like halfway of the visor. Then you're going to draw a curved line like this. And you're going to make a straight line on top. And you're going to bring it back down. And that's its body. Now we have to draw its backpack. So we're going to draw a straight line out. We're going to curve it. Draw a straight line down. And curve it back. To start off the backpack, you would start off halfway through the visor. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the beanie. Now the beanie is optional, but that's my character, so I'm going to draw it in. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go here on the side of the crewmate's face, and you're going to draw a line up like this. And curve it across, and then you're going to bring it back down. And then you're going to go from the other end. Gonna bring it up. You bring a curve to the left and draw a C, and then you're just gonna draw a straight line across, and you're just gonna bring it back down. And that's the beanie. The next step is we're gonna draw the Wally pet. So start off his face, we're going to draw a straight line down, a straight line on top, and then another straight line. Almost a rectangle. But here we're going to draw a curved line to connect the last two parts. Next, we are going to draw the rest of its side. So we're just going to draw one big C. It goes a little out, and just bring it back. And we got its face. We're going to draw its eyes, which is two circles. One here, and one right there. We're going to draw its antenna. We draw two straight lines up, and then a ball on top. We're going to draw the neck, which is just another smaller rectangle. So you bring two lines down, and then one small one to connect it. We're going to draw a square. So we're going to draw two sides across. We bring two lines down, and we're going to just complete it with a straight line. Same thing here, we're going to draw another square. So we're going to draw a line there and a line here, and then just connect them. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the two wheels. So we're going to draw one here and one here. And to connect them, we're just going to draw two lines. So we have one here, and then we're going to draw one out, and it curves back to the cube. And we're done. If you want to check out the original video, it's up here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and turning on a notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. And have a great day.